Well, hello everyone, and welcome to the Tamiya Willys MB quarter-ton 4x4 Jeep. I decided to get this for the P-40 diorama. I went online and looked at some old pictures, and just to verify that they used the Jeeps to transport the pilots and everything. And yeah, I did see photos of not necessarily this particular Jeep, but kind of Jeep, but this is the only one that I could see. And Tamiya they've been pretty decent kits to build so far, so I decided to go with this one. I think it comes with the driver, as far as I know. Yep. With a lifelike figure. With plentiful accessory parts. That's nice to know. Anyways, I thought this would be cool and just part of the diorama scene to have this driver dropping off the pilot, and because I decided it was going to be themed ready for takeoff or preparing for takeoff or something like that. I haven't decided on the actual title yet, but I need to start on the base, but I also want to build this Jeep. So let's go ahead and open it up. Still got the plastic on it. I can't imagine that it's going to be too difficult of a kit to put together. And it's probably not a very big kit, because this should be 1/35 scale. Yes. Let me go ahead and open that up, and let's see what we got here. Yeah. Making sure it was recording. Oh, awesome. Look at that little thing. That's pretty cool. That's gonna look awesome. That's about what I thought it was gonna be. But just wanted to do a quick video of unboxing it to see what comes in with the kit. The sprues. Looks like you gotta put the figure is in multiple pieces. That's more pieces than the tank. Yeah, you just gotta put the arms in the... This arms on the M3 Lee guy, Commander. But yeah, I got your differentials and all that. The tires. That is so cool. This will be a nice... Kind of like the small tanks I'm building. Oh, look at this. We got Tamiya Tech Tips. That's kind of neat. Holy darn. I don't think I've ever seen one of these. Huh. Painting guide and everything. How to put decals on, test fitting. That's neat. I'm just going to put this off to here for right now. We got some decals that I won't take out yet. Looks like the couple different color options for the lettering. Yeah, nice protective film for them. And here's our directions. Let's see how involved this is. Maybe I should move this way. There you go. People can kind of see something. Oh, it's even got an engine. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Wow. Springs. Well, this is pretty much how it goes together. If somebody would be interested in purchasing this kit and wanted to see what the directions, how it goes together quick, you can pause the video and just kind of check out all the pieces parts. Huh. Wow, this is way more detailed than I thought it was going to be. That looks like it's going to be a fun little build. Oh, even got a machine gun option. I'll have to look back at that photo again. I don't know if they had the machine gun on it. This is going to be more build for a pilot. Delivery. For the lack of a better word, my brain's, it's getting late and I'm kind of getting tired. So, but yeah, color scheme, all that stuff. Get it in the view if you wanted to pause it and check it out. But we'll be working on this too while I'm getting that base together. And this will be part of that diorama scene. So just wanted to give you an update on the P-40 build. I'm going to be uploading a video here. I masked off the canopy off camera, and that took quite a while. But I just brush primed the parts, and they're such little pieces. I didn't really feel like loading the airbrush up, and I was afraid of overspray on the underside and whatnot. But yeah, that's coming up here. I'll upload that, and we'll get to finishing the P-40, and we're getting close to finishing the Brome too. Also, my ballast mess up on the Brome diorama. It looks like I was able to salvage that. Full strength glue, and then just sprinkle it on. Let it set, do it in sections. That seems to be the key. That worked for me anyway. But now I'm just rambling. Enough about that stuff. Just wanted to show you guys the Jeep came in, and look forward to that build. I'd like to thank everybody for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.